My brother and sister in the diaspora, are you overwhelmed by life in a foreign country? As an immigrant, we all face unique challenges: long hours at work, financial pressure, and also missing time with our family member and friend. Today, I will show you a way to build an online business that fit your schedule and set you up for success in 2025 and beyond. You will learn how to create a profitable online business with just few hours a day, giving you the time freedom you deserve. You will see in this video how you can start your own international digital business selling digital product like this that you can see on the screen. I will show you how you can get master resale right to own this product that you can resell and earn unlimited commission. You don't need to create this product. We already have them ready for you. They are all best-selling product that you can own today. And also, I will show you how you can get a system like this. This is a marketing system that can do 95% of the work for you. So you will have a business in a box on autopilot working for you around the clock. And you will also get to join an amazing community of over 48,000 members where you will be learning and earning at the same time. And inside the community, we also have some classroom. You can see where you can have learn how to use TikTok to market your business, TikTok training. You have also a six-figure in 6 months training also inside the classroom. And also we have 90 days series going on all the time that you can also learn. It is amazing, and this is what you will get with this business that I'm sharing with you today. And this is me here. My name is François Kabore. I'm currently living in Lisbon. And while we continue, please give me a like and also subscribe to support my channel. And I will show you some daily earning proof or statement inside our community. We are now over 48,000 members, and today is Thursday, the 8th of January 2025. And but first, you can see this is earning disclaimer. You can take a screenshot. You can read it later as we continue. So because in any online or offline business, earnings are not guaranteed, but it is possible to duplicate similar result or even greater if you follow the step-by-step guide that we have inside this program. As you can see here, that was a 6 days ago. Stephanie, she's also a member in our community. She posted. This is what she said. She earned over $50,000 with this program. So this is what she earned so far, and she said keep promoting this business. A lot of people need this. You can see 50,000. Let me highlight this one here. You can see this is what she earned so far. $50,000 sales. So you see 2025 could also be your year. And we have March also posted. That was 19 hours ago. She earned a $300 commission while talking to her sister. She says, first let me give God thanks. I am blessed to be part of this amazing community. She made a $300 while talking to her sister on the phone. The sky is the limit. Be consistent. You see, this is truly a fantastic business that I am sharing with you. And here is what is possible when you follow this proven system. You can become your own boss. And also, okay, let's go back. You can also take control of your income. So you can also work less and earn more, build a life of balance. You can also achieve a $2,000 to over $10,000 per month income, and it's possible you can also enjoy more time freedom to pursue your passion, your dream, and also spend time with your loved one also. You can also travel whenever and wherever you want without limit. And you can see here that is AD 2 hours ago. She posted, she earned a $2,700 since launching her business. Here you can see in December 15 that she launched her business, she already earned $2,700 here. And she's so grateful. Christy posted also 7 hours ago inside the community. She made $32,000 since she launched her business on August the 8th, 2024. This is, you can see, this is fabulous. She said, yeah, I am still in awe of this incredible opportunity, and I am super excited about 2025 because I believe I am actually going to be one of the six-figure income earner inside our community. And she says she's passionate about helping other people. So inside our community, the goal here is to create 1,000 six-figure income earner and a 1,000 millionaire. So you could be one of them if you take action. We have a lot of six-figure income earner already inside the community. We also have a few millionaire also millionaire in US dollar and also millionaire in other country currency. So this is something that you can do alongside of what you are doing right now while you will be earning some additional income. It can truly help you to balance your life. This is truly a great program, and you can own this business and you have your own business working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I am on a mission to empower you to take control also of your future. And it's possible. You can see here, this is Steve 3 days ago. This is what Steve said: my first $300 win. Not bad for a 73 years old. You can see we have people inside our community from 18 years old to over 70 years old, as you can see here. She said, I am only been in a short time and have zero experience. He have zero tech savvy skills, but he just made his first $300 commission. So he said, yeah, I am believing to multiply that several times this month. Thank you, Lord. You see, new people are also earning. This is a beginner-friendly business. Anyone can do this from any country. Elena also posted 6 hours ago. She was able to earn $1,400 in 48 hours with this business. All glory to our Most High God that I could show up for mom. She said, so super grateful for this proven system. Waking up this morning to a $900 commission, and the fact that I have, and her message continue. You can see she's feeling grateful here. Congratulations to everyone, and let's continue. My mission isn't just to help you earn some money, but it is also to help you build a lifestyle of freedom and fulfillment. This is about more than income. It is about creating a legacy for you and for your family. If you are ready to turn your goal into reality, I am here to guide you every step of the way. You can see we have also poll 2 days ago. Let me highlight this one here also. He said it here. Please pinch me. We have made $124,270 in 7.5 months with this program. I love it as I have never made this much money this quickly, and I have more time with my family than I ever had, and I am helping people. It is a dream come true. We also have Michael. 4 hours ago, Michael earned a $900 sales the day after Christmas while he was sick. He said, yeah, I woke up the day after Christmas feeling like crap and watching Netflix all day, but it didn't matter because of the amazingness of this automated system. Halfway through the day, I got a $900 payment notification. You see, this is a business working for you on autopilot. You can be sleeping while your business is earning you some commission. So these results are possible because of the proven system I am sharing with you today. If you are ready to take the next step, I am here to personally help you get started. And if this video has been helpful to you, please give me a like, and also please uh, subscribe to my channel to help support the growth. And also I thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to working with you. In the description box of this video, you will see my website address where it can take you to learn more on how you can get started. And also in the comment section, also if you want, you can put a comment, and if you put more info, and I will send you as soon as possible all the details, and you can get started as soon as possible. Thank you and Happy New Year, and I look forward to working with you. Bye for now.